Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix this black screen in Windows 10 or 11. So very simple and basic way. Click on Start, Settings. Here click on Personalization. Here you will see background. So select picture. Now click anywhere. So that black screen problem is resolved. Also you can select any color. Select solid color and any color. You can select slide show. And you can change picture time. So thanks for watching, and this is the way you can fix and resolve black screen Windows problem. Thanks for watching.